Okay, I am recording, so let's start my third video. So in the last video, we made this. It's good. But in this video, I'll be starting on JavaScript. So enjoy. So first, you want to go into the script tag now. Now we're gonna do some basic JavaScript. So we're gonna make a button for us to press. So we're going to do input. This does not close. You do not need to do that. You need to give it an ID. This needs to have an ID. I'm going to name it button. This button. But this is where the JavaScript is going to come in. You need to do onClick equals, and then anything you want. Same rules as a ID, so no numbers at the start. But then you need to put off before 2 round brackets. The round brackets are important. I'm going to put onClick equals change. And now we're going to decorate the button because that's what we're going to do. We're going to decorate the button because it hasn't been decorated. Oh, I need to do this. So we're going to put hashtag button. Wait, we can't put button. The reason that button isn't valid is that there is a tag which is just button. So I'm just going to remove one letter, butto. And let's just going to do that. Now position, you know what we were doing. Position, absolute color, blue, background color, green, and now maybe top 50%. This is not important anymore. I forgot this. Top 50%, left 50%. Now translate minus 50%, minus 50%. And now we're going to use something new in CSS, border. So this is basically a background color around the background color. So it's weird. So I want to do 4p. If I do 4px, there's going to be a 4 pixel border around the entire thing. So I'm going to do 10px. Now I'm going to do solid. I'm going to do black. As it's meant to be. So now there's going to be a black border around. But I'm going to change that to pink. And there's going to be a pink border around it. Now I'm going to do in the script tag. Now I'm going to put function. And now you want to do this onClick down here. Change with the curly brackets. Then we want to enter. Now do this. So these curly brackets. So after this, you want to do. Okay, this is the weird bit. Document dot to get capital E, because in JavaScript the first word will not have a capital letter, but then the second one will, and etc. will. And capital B by ID. Now get in there. Get element by the ID. Now we want to get the ID. So I put butto. So if I put butto in here, it should work. Now dot style dot background color background color equals I'm gonna put gray. And now for CSS and JavaScript, on the end of most lines, like these lines don't need a semicolon, but this line needs a semicolon on the end. And as you see, this doesn't need one, this doesn't need one, but these do. So there's that. Now we're gonna test. Now I'm gonna save it, Control S, and now go back. Now, where is it? Where is it? Okay, here is it. And now reload. Now there's just this random button right here. I'm gonna click. What? What did I do? Wait. Mind what I did. You need to put a value equals, and this is what the button says. Click. And now you need to do type equals button. This is what makes it a button. So now it should work. Now click. I don't know what's going on. I don't know what I did. Oh, I know what I did. I know what I did. But if you get this all right, it should. What is? Oh, as you can see, it's green now. If I click it, it's grey. Now there are much more things you can do. I'm going to teach you a new thing. You can actually do HTML. Now put this. And now if you put height, you can do height for any. It's just I'm doing it. If you do 200% and width 200%. Now I'm gonna change this. Instead of it being background color, this I'm gonna make it. This instead of it just being the button, I'm gonna add another one. It's not gonna just be the button. It's gonna be the button and the heading. It needs a semicolon. Now I'm just gonna put green. I'm gonna put purple. Now here it is. If I reload, now you see there is a scroll bar. Now because of this HTML CSS I did, there is much more space to work with. But we'll get over to what we can do with that in another video. Now if I click it, does that, and I don't know what I did another thing again. What did I do? Heading dot style dot color. Okay, turns out something is going weird, and I don't know why it's not working, but it isn't. So it would normally work. It's just I don't know what I'm doing. I don't know what happened. But that's the end of this video. I'm gonna get rid of this because it doesn't want to work. Oh, I know exactly why it doesn't want to work. I'm not gonna. Oh gosh, what is going on? I know why it wasn't working. I found it out. And now I put Jute. So I'm just going to change that to get. Now it should work. Look, now it says, now my name is Purple. So that's the end of this video. So I guess